That video just went viral. It has more than 5 million views right now. Do you even know how much 10,000 subscribers is? मैं आ जाऊं बैठे बैठे ही मैं यहाँ पहुंची हूँ. So I understand if I did it, you can do it too. In this video, I'll tell you about how I made 10,000 subscribers in less than a month. Plus मेरे 10 million views भी complete हो गए shorts के. Which I know right now, if you're watching a video and तुम्हारा एक YouTube channel है, you might be wondering how is that possible. But listen to me. If I did it, you can do it too. Also, I'm going to do my makeup while telling you all about it because I need to shoot a video and I need to do my makeup for that. So why don't we multitask, right? So let's start from the very basic. जो आप लोगों के मन में question होगा that how did I start my YouTube journey? Well, even I don't know how I started my YouTube journey because I have been doing YouTube properly. Like मेरे पहले भी काफी सारे channels थे since 2018 or 17 if I'm not mistaken, and it was always a miss. Yes, it was always a miss. As like you might be thinking right now कि यार मेरे views क्यों नहीं आ रहे, यार लोग मेरे videos क्यों नहीं देख रहे, why is there no comments in my videos, and basically why YouTube is not showing it to other people out there, which is like completely normal to think about क्योंकि मैं भी उस बोट में बैठ चुकी हूँ बहन, और उस बहती गंगा में मैं आ जाऊं बहते बहते ही मैं यहाँ पहुंची हूँ. So I understand. The main point here is you might think that I think there's a cockroach in my room. So maybe you might think that, oh my god, I got 10,000 subscribers in a month, which is like, impossible to do it. कैसे कर लिया ये वो. First of all, मुझे भी नहीं पता मैंने कैसे किया. Do you even know how much 10,000 subscribers is? Do this much. So I have had this channel since I guess since June, if I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong. June 2024, by the way. Like, to be honest, initially मेरा ऐसा कोई plan नहीं था कि I'm gonna upload ये वाले type के videos or maybe इस type के videos, and ऐसा कुछ like I had nothing planned for the first time while making a YouTube channel, because इससे पहले मैंने जितने बार भी channels बनाए हैं, I always had a plan out there. This time I was like, मैंने नहीं करना है YouTube, ये तो होने वाला नहीं है मेरे से, because 4,000 watch hours, you need 1,000 subscribers, you need I don't know so many things to actually make it work for you. But if you ask me, फिर भी तुमने क्यों start किया ये channel? Good question. Well, many of you might not know actually that I am professionally a makeup artist. Yes. So I have had my Instagram account वगैरह, and I thought कि चलो let's start with YouTube, and whatever the thing that I'm posting as reels on Instagram, I'm just gonna post it on YouTube, and I'm just gonna use YouTube as a platform to teach people how to do professional makeup on client. But क्या मैंने वो किया? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मैंने शायद एक वीडियो अपलोड किया होगा अभी तक related to the whole concept of me being a makeup artist, because I was very inconsistent. I was very inconsistent. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna link all the products जो मैं use करने वाली हूँ down in the description box in case if you want to know about it. Yeah. So, anyways, that particular planning तो it did not work. First day से ही I started not uploading मेरे makeup related, business related reels, and I just started posting like normal shorts about beauty and skincare because that's the thing that I had most knowledge about, and I did not wanted to sound fake about anything. So मुझे लगा कि like I'm just gonna be what I am because I don't have anything extra to show. ऐसा कोई talent नहीं दिए मुझे ऊपर वाले ने जो मैं दर्शा सकूं आप लोगों को कि वाओ देखो मैं इतने हट के हूँ. इतनी खुश नसीब नहीं हूं मैं. Now fast forward to December. December 2024 was the month when I decided, because I was not doing well physically again. साल में 12 महीने होते हैं guys, and उन 12 महीनों में मैं 10 महीने बीमार रहती हूँ. बहुत ही चुन के बनाया गया है मुझे. दिसंबर पे I was like, let's make it a habit of posting one shot every day. कुछ plan नहीं था what I'm gonna post. Yes, I decided on posting skincare videos, and I just whatever. मैं ऐसा भी नहीं कि कुछ plan करके रखती थी, scripting करके रखती थी and I just upload it next day या फिर shoot it next day. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया मैं बस सुबह उठी एंड देन आई या लेट्स मेक अ वीडियो एंड आई मेक अ वीडियो एंड आई पोस्ट अबाउट इट. हाँ, आई मेड श्योर दैट आई वुड एडिट इट प्रॉपर्ली सो दैट जितने भी बकवास मैं करूँ उसमें कम से कम वो दिखने में अच्छा लगे, क्योंकि मैंने उसमें एडिटिंग अच्छे से की हो. डोंट वरी, ऐसा मत समझो कि वाओ मेरे साथ एक चमत्कार हो गया है कि मुझे इतने सारे व्यूअर्स, इतने सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स मिल गए. आई एम स्टिल far, 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 far away from being a YouTuber, I guess. Overall, it's a good growth process, I would say. Every day मैं एक वीडियो तो हमेशा डालती थी, चाहे जो भी हो जाए, literally चाहे जो भी हो जाए, no matter if I was sick, I was on my periods, I was on this, I was on that. I used to upload one video every day and I made sure कि चाहे मेरे views आए नहीं आए, I'm just gonna make a video and upload. And so I made this whole Kinder Joy wala content. I got like over 1 million views in around a week or two, if I'm not mistaken. And I was like, bro, what are you talking about? 1 million views. Do you know how much 1 million views is? But to my surprise, it did not just stop at views. I got subscribers also, which, oh my god, listen to me one thing very clear. मैंने जब ये 1 महीने वाली strategy निकाली थी, शे strategy बोलते हैं इसको, मैंने जब ये strategy निकाली थी, I was like, oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'll make anything out of it. But I had just one plan in mind. I need to make at least 1000 subscribers in that particular month itself by uploading every single day for a month. मुझे views कितने आ रहे I don't care. मुझे engagement कितने आ रहे उससे भी मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं था. Like मुझे बस subscribers चाहिए because I need to make it to 1000 subscribers and then we'll sit back and relax and then think about कि फिर मुझे क्या videos upload करने हैं, because मेरे पास तो कोई plan है ही नहीं इस channel को लेकर. Videos on Kinder Joy were performing really well, तो उसके बाद मुझे काफी सारे subscribers मिले and I was like literally getting excited, crazy, पागल and losing it because मैंने आज तक कभी इतने सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं देखे मेरे खुद के चैनल पे, मैंने आज तक कभी इतने सारे व्यूज नहीं देखे मेरे खुद के चैनल पे. आई वाज लाइक either I'm doing it right or I think something is wrong with YouTube. And dude, when I tell you, this third video on Kinder Joy went crazy. इसने फर्स्ट के दोनों वीडियोस को क्रॉस कर दिया था regarding views, regarding how many attention I'm getting from that video. That video just went viral. It has more than 5 million views right now. By the way, this powder, you guys, आग बंद करके अगर तुम्हें इस पूरे वीडियो से कुछ लेना है, just get this. This is the Huda Beauty pound cake powder in pound cake. Oh my god, it's the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in pound cake. So talking about my strategy वाली part, देखो मैं सीधे सीधे बताने वाली हूँ. नोट बिल्कुल मत करना क्योंकि नोट करने के लिए कुछ है नहीं, दिमाग में रख लो. That will be all enough. The number one very most important thing that I'm about to say you is that be yourself. अगर तुम्हें एक content दिख रहा है and you're like मुझे ऐसे videos बनाने, make it with your own style. Yes, copy the whole theme, copy the topic, copy the way I build the whole structure of the video, but make sure that you use your own brain, your own personality in that video. Because देखो लोग तुम्हें देखना चाहते हैं and not like come on, कैटरीना कैफ जैसी 2 लड़कियां भी आ जाए इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो लोग कैटरीना कैफ को ही प्रेफर करेंगे, राइट? बट अगर कैटरीना कैफ के साथ कोई और आ जाता है, लेट्स से करीना कपूर खान, देन यू हैव अ चॉइस दैट इफ यू वांट टू वॉच करीना कपूर और कैटरीना कैफ, whichever you like both. So that's what I'm trying to say basically, ki try to be yourself. No matter if you're trying to copy content, initially you will copy content from other creators to make it work for you, and that is okay because तुम्हें भी जानना है कि what will work for you, तुम किस टाइप की वीडियोस बना पाते हो and तुम्हें किस टाइप का एडिटिंग स्टाइल पसंद आ रहा है. So it's very much okay for you to actually copy content from other creators, but by copying it does not mean that you will literally stand the way they stand, eat the way they eat, talk the way they talk. This is not going to work, sweetheart. You have to be yourself. And next, second thing is you have to make good videos. By good videos, I don't mean कि तुम्हारा camera quality good होना पड़ेगा. Of course, एक decent camera quality is important. It doesn't mean you'll just take out a calculator and start shooting with a calculator. That is not gonna work. Just make sure कि whatever videos you're uploading are in a decent quality. Starting पे, I don't want you to invest in anything. ना लाइट्स ना कैमरा. तुम्हें लाइट की जरूरत है, तुम नेचुरल लाइट पे वीडियो बनाओ. sitting in sunshine wale area pe, and make sure that you are very very clear about what you're saying on that video. मैं नहीं हूँ, मुझे पता है, like I get off track a lot while I'm talking. That's just my ADHD. I can't help it. Just make sure कि whatever you're doing, you're confident about it. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हें खुद पता नहीं है तुम क्या कर रही हो and you're just posting a video. That is not going to work. Just ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ताजमहल बनाने वाली वीडियोस नहीं डालनी है. Just make normal videos, but at least make it very much real, very much of you. It's 2025. There's no such thing as you can't upload videos anymore. It's too late. Wow, go home, sleep. No. If you know the right way to do it, because there's no right way, there's only a way that you should know how it works for you. You have to actually edit your videos like a good person. ऐसा नहीं कि बस तुमने subtitles डाल दिए and your editing is done. No, my dear, that is not how it works. You have to actually know how to edit your videos at least थोड़ा decently. You don't have to be pro editor. You don't have to be. I will just tell you one thing that you have to make sure that you don't do is that quit. By quit, I don't mean quit. I mean don't quit. Don't quit just because you're not getting viewers. Don't quit just because you're not getting subscribers. Don't quit abhi. I still don't know कि ये channel कैसा perform करेगा in the long run, if I'm getting anything out of it yet or not. But I'm just trying it again, you know. There's no such thing as you can't try if you're 40 and you can't try it again if you're 90. You can do it any time of your life. It all depends upon किस टाइप का कंटेंट है तुम्हारा, कितने कंसिस्टेंटली तुम पोस्ट कर रहे हो, एवरीथिंग. जस्ट इन केस वी वंडरिंग, यस आई एम यूजिंग एन आई टू डू माय लिप लाइनर बिकॉज दिस कलर इज वेरी गुड. ये जेम्स चार्ल्स का पैलेट है व्हिच दे डोंट मेक इट एनीमोर. एनीवेज, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 10k सब्सक्राइबर्स जो मुझे मिले हैं. आई गॉट 10k सब्सक्राइबर्स इन लेस देन अ मंथ, which is after I started uploading consistently on YouTube. मेरे शॉर्ट्स पे. All those of you are new YouTube creators, comment down below about your channel, and maybe all of you can help each other out. Let's just make this a community that we help small creators, you know, make it out there for YouTube. That's gonna be very great. Do comment down below, and I hope every other small creators follow each other, subscribe to each other, so that यार छोटी छोटी चीजों से you can actually build बड़े बड़े चीज. So this gives me joy, like talking to camera, talking to you guys, making an audience, trying to build something out of what I am, trying to show who I am to you guys, and trying to build this relationship with you guys is something that I love doing. So this is why I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build, even though I'm not doing well. I still want to do well for you guys. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. In case you were wondering कि तुम long form content बना रहे हो and you're not getting enough subscribers through that, I would suggest you that make shorts banao, and because shorts will help you gain subscribers. But also make sure that if you're wanting to make long form content in the long run and not short form content in the long run, make sure that you balance it out by uploading long form and short form content both. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say, and if not, you can ask your questions in the comments down below. I'll try to help you if I can. And the rest is that I really made it through. Am I a YouTuber now? I don't know. Will I become one? I don't know either. But 10k subscribers का ये मतलब नहीं कि wow, I am a YouTuber now, I can rock this world. No. And if you are a YouTube creator like me, छोटे से नन्हे से मुन्ने से, welcome. YouTube मेरे बाप का नहीं है, पता नहीं मैं क्यों welcome बोल रही हूँ. Anyways, बातों में तो मैं भूल गई कि मैंने मेकअप भी किया था इस वीडियो पे. This is my full makeup look. Very not too heavy base. Like my base is not heavy. There will be no transfer, of course, because it's very light. I've kept it light. I've just made a little थोड़ा dramatic eyes because बाकी सब थोड़ा calm down है, तो एक तो दिखना चाहिए. And I'm just gonna go do whatever shootings that I've left to do. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. देखो मेरी नजरें बहुत तेज है, मैं देख सकती हूँ कि तुमने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो चुपचाप सब्सक्राइब कर लो.